Welcome to JackJackPlays.
Let's dig.
Need a dump truck. I need a dump truck. It's
You got
my
a dump
job.
truck. There it is.
You can help me dig. Your scoop. What? I have a better scoop. Hey Jack, can I play with the trencher? No, yeah. No, you can't. You can carry a lot with the front because I'll carry the rest. Yep. We need that crane to get our help. Turn it right there. You can turn.
Daddy's got the hiccups.
Can't pick up anything. I'm gonna make some cookies. Dinosaur poop cookies.
Oh, not again.
Maybe. Oh, there's a wood chip pile right over there. I think sand sprinkle is better. Look what I can. What I can.
Molly.
It's a more on the sand. They can move on the sand. What kind? I'm gonna put this in.
What are you putting in?
The pipe.
The pipe.
I put the pipe in. Okay, the pipe in. I'll start preparing the moon sand for the covering. Also, we need water. Trench is just to dig into the earth. Beep, beep. Down, dropped out of the bucket. Is it done? Are you ready to put the pipe in? No.
What are you doing, Ruth?
Making a handprint. Whee!
Oh, that is a good handprint. Great sound effects, Jack.
On the dump across.
Across?
Uh-oh, need more sand to fill up. A footprint? Yeah.
A footprint?
Yep. It's going to be a footprint angel. Yeah. Look what I dug into. Look what I did.
What'd you do?
I did dig over there.
Oh.
And now I dumped in it. Oh no, did you put the pipes in? No, we need to fill up it. Oh. No, we need to put all the sand in and smooth it out. I'll use my hands. We didn't make a road. We need to make the rest of the road. We need to make the rest of the road. I need your help. I need road. This guy's help.
He needs your help. Kids, he needs your help to load up the dump truck.
The road is blocked with. We need to connect it. Come on.
A deeper trench?
No, there's person there. Yeah, throw it in.